Hi, my name is Justin Conway. I'm an Excel expert, and I'm going to explain how to increase speed when working in Excel. First thing, totally unrelated to Excel, you may have many different windows open while you're using your computer. I'm guilty of this very often. I'll have all different programs running at all different times. Make sure you close out of anything other than Excel. Anything that you don't need at that moment, close out of. That'll allow your computer to run more optimally and be able to focus its resources on Excel to process that information. Then from within Excel, if your program is still running kind of slowly, maybe because the document that you're using is sort of bogged down, taking a look at the document that I have here, I have different formulas across my document. Now this is a pretty small document, but if we were to have a really large one, all of these formulas would add up to increased computation that the computer has to run, and that would take more time. So it's better to limit the amount of different functions and formulas that need to be that are inputted in your Excel file. So one thing that I would do is, if you don't need these formulas anymore, so now that I've used them and I've gotten the averages in this example in column G, I can simply hit copy and right click, go to paste special, select values, click OK. So now that they're only values and they're not an actual formula that's being run, this is a lot more efficient for the Excel sheet. Other things that you can do are limit how much different formulas you do actually have when you're making computation. So if you don't necessarily need to have nested formula in one cell, and you can perform some light arithmetic yourself, or whatever it is, just to bring down the amount that Excel has to compute, that will help. Other things are combining your worksheets and combining different pieces of information. Also remember that Excel works from upper left to lower right, and that's the way it's going to sort of search your document and perform the functions, and that's the way you should build your document out. So you don't want to do, you don't want to have functions looking in cells that are to the right or below them. In other words, whenever you do perform a function, make sure that it is referencing cells that are either to the left and above, or a mixture of those, up and to the left, but never to the right and down. If you follow those things, make sure you also, by the way, error check. Make sure there are no errors in your sheet, and that should speed you up quite a bit. If you follow those things, your Excel sheet should run a lot more smoothly. I hope that helped. That's how to speed up Excel, and my name is Justin Conway. Thanks.